Hey guys, Ray here with Digital Footprint Solutions, a web design agency here in Fort Lauderdale. Alright, so in this tutorial, what I want to do is walk you through the simple process of making edits on your website. Now, this is primarily for websites that are built on Divi with the Divi builder and also using WordPress. So let's get started. Now the first thing that you want to do is you want to get to the login screen of your WordPress dashboard. So to do that, what you typically do is you want to type the name of your URL. So let's say Digital Footprint Solutions, in my case, .com. Then we're going to do /wp-admin. Once we're there, we're taken to the login screen. Well, in this case, it just logged me in, but typically you'd be taken to the login screen, which would be right here. Now, once you're here, you're just going to enter your username and your password. And then you're going to be taken to the dashboard. So this is your WordPress dashboard. Now, do not pay too much attention to over here because it might look different on yours. Nevertheless, the process is going to be the same in doing these edits. So what we want to do at this point is we want to go over to the front end of the site. So to do that, we're going to click up here, top left corner. Then right here where it says visit site, we're going to right click because we want to open this in a new tab, leaving this section open. Now, once we're over to the site itself, what we can do, we can make our edits here. So to do that, what we need to do is click on Enable Visual Builder. That is going to enable the ability to make these updates to any section of the website. Alright, so now the fun begins to make these changes. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is we want to hover over to any one of these elements you want to make changes. Now this in itself overall is an entire module, and this module is called the full width slider settings module. So within this we have sliders, so we can actually create more than one sliders here by just clicking on this plus sign and creating a new slider. You see, that's not something that we need at this point, so let's go back and let's go back into this settings section. And then right here where we have this gear, we're going to click on that. And then let's say we want to make other changes to the site. We want to scroll down and let's say we want to make some changes here. We are a professional cleaning service in Fort Lauderdale, and we want to add and surrounding areas. That's it. And you want to make changes here, you can simply make those changes just the same. Once you're done, ensure to hit the check mark, then hit the check mark again, and then here where we have the three little dots, just simply hover over this section right here, click. It will open a bunch of other options here, but what we need at this point is the save over here to the bottom right hand corner. Click on save, and that's going to save the overall changes on the page that you just updated. Now let's scroll down a little bit more. Now this again, now that you've seen this is actually in orange. This in itself is still a section, and within the section we have a row, and within the row we have these modules. Now this module right here is a text module, and here we can make updates to the content at this point. So we can say, instead of why choose us or why choose our cleaning company, let's say why we are your best choice. And then once you're done, you can hit this check mark right here and then ensure to hit save. Now let's say we want to make changes to an image. Again, just simply hover over that section right here. Once that section is hovered, you'll see it highlighted. Click on the gear icon here, and what we can do, we can first delete the image and then add a new image here by clicking this add image icon. Now if there are images that you need within the media library, you can just simply go ahead and choose that image and then click on upload an image. There we go. Now let's say we don't have that image within our media library. What we can do at this point is we can go now over to our local computer. So we're going to click on that section up there. We can click on select file. It's going to take you to the folder. So you can just simply navigate to the folder where your image is, and then we can make that changes. Once you highlight the image, you click on open. Now that it's uploaded to the media library, you can now go ahead and hit upload an image once it's done processing. Here it is. So now we can click on upload an image, and there we have that image uploaded. And that's pretty much how simple it is for you to make updates on any part of your page. Now once you're done, ensure again to hit save, and that's going to save the overall changes on the site at that point. To exit the builder, what we need to do is head up here and we're going to say exit builder. And that's it. Your site has been updated and you're ready to rock and roll. If you have any question, just feel free to reach out. Until next time, stay safe. Take care.